Hi, smart people. So it's the celebrity instructor Allison. So if at any point in time you come across this problem, whether you're preparing for SAT exams or whether you're preparing for WAEC, NECO, JAM, as the case may be, it may look a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to walk through this. So we want to make E over X the subject of the relation in this problem. So to get started, I would like for you to multiply this across. Call it cross multiplication. Maybe you can make this over 1, which is the same thing as m. So if you cross multiply, you have 1 by x plus e. That will also retain x plus e equals, if this crosses over to this part, that is x minus a multiplies by m. You have m into x minus a. So this is the first thing you need to do. Okay, so remember, I want to express this, want this a over x to be the subject of the relation. So to achieve that, let's clear off this bracket. We use this m to distribute. So we have x plus a equals m multiplies by x will be mx minus m multiplied by e, we have me. All right, so I think at this point we want to collect terms, like terms. What do I mean? I want to group this. So if I have x, all the x should be one side, all the a's should be, because we're interested in a and x. That's the first approach, or the second approach we need to follow. So I'll have this a. If you bring this ma across to this part, keep in mind here is negative. If you pull it across to this part, it changes to positive. So we'll be having e plus me. We've tackled these two that contains e. These two contains x. So we say mx, and let's write it well. If this x, which is positive at this position, crosses over to this part, it changes to negative of x. All of that is simple and simplified. Please, if you're just seeing this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload the video, you get notification. Like this video and share. That's very important. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. I really appreciate you. Let's like this video and share. Thank you very much. So what do we do at this point? Looking at this, a is common, x is also common to both sides. So I mean to this side, to this first term, the second term, first, second term, we notice that a is common. We factor out the a. If I pull out this a away from this, 1 will be remaining there, because a times 1 will be a. Does that make sense? All right. So plus, again, if I pull out this a from here, which is this, m will be left. So let's do the same thing here. X is common. Let's factor out x. So if I pull out x here, m will be left, and then negative. If I pull out x here, 1 will be left. So this is the most important part. We are going to see how we can make e over x the subject of the relation. So to keep that simple, if I bring this x under here, I've already achieved that. But then what will be the next thing? We'll know that when we get to that point, all right? So let's divide both sides by x. Divide both sides of this equation by x. That x can easily cancel out with x. On this part, we have, let's take it up. We have e into 1 plus m over x equals, we have m minus 1 left on this part after this cancels out. All right? So what do we need to do? We need to remove this man, 1 plus m. We need to pull it away so that we just have a over x left. So to achieve that, we divide both sides by 1 plus m. We do the same thing here, 1 plus m. So this cancels out with this. Therefore, e over x equal to m minus 1 over 1 plus m. Does that make sense? All right, so we've been able to achieve this by making a over x the subject of the relation. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you get notification. And please share this video, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.